How to buy Anime token on Bybit. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find in my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down description. You can get free money rewards on crypto. With the best referral code, simply use the codes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out description. So as you can see, this token is available on CoinEX. To be able to buy this token on Bybit, click on markets here and you will be able to see this pair Anime USDT on Bybit. Now click on this pair link, and as you can see, but before that, make sure to log into your Bybit account. So after that, go to this page and click on buy here, the buy option. So after that, what you need to do, just set the amount that you want to buy of that token, as you can see. So here we'll be able to see the order value that you will pay of that USDT to be able to buy this token. Now after that, click on buy Anime. So if you select the market, it's easy and simple. Set this or get this to set the percentage that you want to use of that USDT you have in your account to be able to buy this token. So after that, click on buy Anime and you will be able to buy this token on your account. So this is how to buy Anime token on Bybit. If you found the video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.